had so much gain, I had so much to lose. And if I ever get past the shame, I'll get through. I'll never let you down.
I never let you down.
I'll never let you down.
I won't let you down.
I'll never let you down.
I can't let you down. Hey, I gotta talk to myself. Give me a minute. Hey, listen. Before you start, let me finish. These niggas out here talking, man, they thinking they can fail you. I got a plan that will prepare you. I just thought that I would tell you. That effort that you giving gon' get you signed in a minute. Your music got some seeds in it, so plant your seeds, nigga. Before you grow, you know you first gotta believe in it. Man, the game need life, just breathe in it. Wait, what if my time don't come around? Man, your time gon' come around. Just be yourself and hold it down. And when it finally comes around, some roads gon' change around. Man, some people gon' change on you, including the people from your town. Just smile up to the sky when you hear them talking down. And expect a few frowns just from wearing that crown. I stated, it's not a soul that made it that can say a motherfucker never hated. They waiting, they waiting, they waiting, they waiting, they waiting.
I'll never let you down.
I never let you down. I never let you down. I never let you down.
I'll never let you down.
I won't let you down.
I'll never let you down.
I can't let you down. I can't let you down. Hey son, what's up mama, how you doing? Mama's blessed baby, how you doing? I'm cool, you know your son finished school. Now ain't that something, so what my boy plan to do? Well, right now I'm just working and doing music. Gotta take care of this family, cause if I don't do it, who gon' do it? And I had a couple shows and everybody was like, whoa, T-Lane, you next to blow. It's what they saying. Don't get caught up in what they saying. Just count your blessings and keep praying. What's gonna happen, it's gonna happen when it happens. Understand? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You know I only want what's best for you. And I don't really mean to lecture you, but don't let nothing pressure you and get the best of you. Just stay patient and be humble. That's success for you. You hear me? Now have my grandbabies. They good. Becoming more like you daily.
I'll never let you down.
I never let you down. I never let you down.
I'll never let you down.
I won't let you down.
I'll never let you down.
I can't let you down. I can't let you down. And to my haters, it's been a long time running. I'm here, and it's been a long time coming. Can't get me off my track, I gotta get you off my back. Addicted to my music, it's like my flows is filled with crack. I've been good all these years, how could you do this to me? One minute I'm hot, the next I'm not, this shit confusing to me. Man, I swear y'all some hoes, y'all was praying that I fold. While I'm spitting on my flows, I think about it at my shows. Should I turn up till they burn up, or take shots until they drop? Either way I choose to do it, just know I hadn't forgot. Man, I owe y'all one, yeah I owe you one. You niggas had dreams for sale, but never sold me one. Cause me, I wouldn't buy it, I'm not stupid, so don't try. They talk behind my back, but when I come back, they get so quiet. Yeah, before the fame, y'all change, but let's see if I will ever fuck with y'all again.
I'll never let you down.
I never let you down.
I'll never let you down.
I won't let you down.
I'll never